Got lost tonight under the stars up.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we have this Cubot KingKong X, and yeah, even if it is a rugged smartphone, under the hood it has a V6 engine. Well, I'm joking, a phone cannot have a V6 engine, it actually has a very powerful and capable SoC. And yeah, Cubot KingKong X comes with 16GB of RAM on board, so definitely it offers flagship class performance. Cubot KingKong X will be launched around the world from July 23rd to July 25th with a price tag of $199.99 US. There will also be an additional discount for my regular viewers and subscribers. Yeah, get ready to get surprised. So the price will be even lower than $199 US. If you compare the price tag and the specifications of Cubot KingKong X, well, it comes with heavy muscle under the hood. It even runs on the latest Android 14. Moreover, it supports 5G, and it costs less than half of what it should cost. Let's start from unboxing and then we'll talk about all the features and performance. But before that, as usual, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Getting older, baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
Cubot KingKong X is a marvel of rugged smartphone engineering. With an indestructible build certified by IP68, IP69K and 810H standards, this phone is built to withstand the harshest environments. The super impact resistant back cover, crafted from aluminum alloy, ensures extraordinary protection. Despite its ruggedness, Cubot KingKong X doesn't compromise on style. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly with its robust features, making it a perfect companion for both urban jungles and wilderness adventures. Whether we are scaling mountains or navigating city streets, this phone is ready for anything. Running on Android 14, KingKong X offers the latest features and security enhancements. The user interface is smooth and intuitive, ensuring a seamless experience across all applications. KingKong X features a stunning 6.58-inch FHD Plus display, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. The 120Hz Smart Dynamic Refresh Rate ensures buttery-smooth visuals, making every interaction feel effortless and engaging. This is more than just a screen. It's a window to a world of immersive content and seamless performance.
Under the stars up in the sky.
Adding to the innovation is the 1.85-inch rear display. This secondary touchscreen offers quick access to notifications and controls, enhancing productivity and convenience. It's perfect for clear, detailed selfies and adds a twist to our smartphone experience, combining functionality with flair. Well, taking selfies with KingKong X is a breeze, thanks to the 1.85-inch rear display that lets us to use the powerful 100-megapixel main sensor. This setup ensures superb selfies with remarkable detail, natural color reproduction, and a wider dynamic range, making our photos vibrant and true to life. Even if it is a rugged smartphone, I can say without any hesitation, KingKong X delivers in portrait mode, capturing stunning photos with accurate skin tone, vibrant color rendition, sharp details, and beautifully blurred backgrounds. This combination ensures that every portrait shot looks professional and eye-catching, highlighting our subject against an artistically defocused backdrop.
You'll feel it naturally, there's no one else I see.
When it comes to low light conditions, KingKong X truly stands out among all the rugged smartphones. The advanced night mode enhances detail levels, provides balanced exposure, reduces noise, and captures rich shadows. This means we can take impressive night photos that retain clarity and depth, even in challenging lighting environments. KingKong X offers crisp and clear 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The phone's excellent stabilization technology ensures smooth and professional-looking footage, capturing every moment with precision and clarity. Whether we are documenting our travels or creating content, KingKong X delivers flagship-class videos with high-quality resolution and stability.
Under the stars up in the sky, I got lost at night. Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and yeah, we're stars in the sky.
Cubot KingKong X features a dual-layer magnetic shielding speaker system, delivering clear, dust-free audio. Whether we are on a call or enjoying music, the sound quality remains impeccable even in rugged conditions.
When she gets fight, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once you daddy and she finds out where you live, creeping in the
Gaming on KingKong X is a thrill. The MediaTek 7050 processor and 16GB. One more time, I repeat, 16GB LPDDR5 RAM ensures top-tier performance. Oh yeah, we can also add another 16GB extended RAM. And yeah, Cubot KingKong X runs games like Genshin Impact smoothly. With an impressive Antutu benchmark score, this phone handles graphics-intensive games without being overheated, thanks to its excellent thermal management. Long gaming sessions remain comfortable and immersive, ensuring an uninterrupted experience. And yeah, playing games on this excellent display panel is always enjoyable. For security, KingKong X offers a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. These features ensure our data is protected while providing quick and easy access to our phone. KingKong X packs a 10,200 mAh battery with 33-watt wired charging, providing long-lasting power for our adventures. We can stay connected and active without worrying about running out of juice. Whether we are on a long hike, traveling, or just going about our daily routine, KingKong X keeps going and going, ensuring we stay powered throughout the day. It's not only a day, a few days. And in some occasions, we have managed to extract a week of battery life. Well, it's time to wrap up, but before that, Cubot KingKong X includes dual 5G SIM slots, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC. Its 10,200 mAh battery guarantees extended use, and the bulletproof rear panel adds extra durability. This phone is a complete package designed for performance and reliability in all situations. Well, I have left a link of this Cubot KingKong X in the description box. Go ahead, check this rugged beast. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I know you'll follow me, I don't want slamming doors. No, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally, there's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me.